channel. Today I am creating a video on introduction myself in English. We need to introduce on many occasions like in school, events or in a presentation. So I am starting my introduction. My name is Veronica Bilandi and I am 9 years old. I'm studying in class 4th where I love learning new things every day. I live with my family in Gurgaon, India. I have one sibling. Some of my favorite activities include playing lawn tennis, dancing and practicing judo. My hobbies is doing art and craft where I can be creative and make fun things. My favorite fruits are mango and lychee. I could eat them every day. I'm also a big fan of the band Stray Kids and I love their music. I also really enjoy traveling and discovering new places with my family. Recently, I visited Kerala. I'm friendly in nature and love making new friends. In school, I enjoy subjects like science and math. My dream is to become an actress one day and also a good human being who help others. Thanks. You can use this template for an introduction for yourself. I would love to hear your suggestions and comments on that video I should create next. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.